Guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you an easy way how you could easily find your Windows 10 license or key. To do that, go to your desktop and click anywhere with the left button of the mouse and select New. On the New section you want to select Text Document. Once done, click or double click on it to open it, and copy paste the text which you will find in the description of this video, and copy paste it inside your document file. Next step, click on File, click Save As, and here you will have to save it on your desktop. So we will just go ahead, select Text, Save As Type, All Files, and here we will select Product, or we'll name it Product Key .vbs. Click Save, and after that you will see this product key file which will appear for you. Double click on it. If you face any error, just try to refresh as I did now, and once done, go back to your product key VBS file which you just created and double click on it. Once you double click on it, you will see your Microsoft or Windows 10 activation key or license, which is used to activate your computer already. You can save it as you like. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.